soon. Oh yes. Hello and welcome back to Mortal Kombat 10. Why is there actually a hot, beloved Valentine's? Valentine in Germany is actually the next week. Fuck it. Nothing against, but I have no girlfriend, never just got it. Come on. Let me know what I just need to play in here. I need to go to toilet actually. More Chill Kombat 10. You know, YouTube don't know what I'm playing for. How he knows actually it's Valentine? Fucking stupid shit. Yeah. Having a great time? Hope so. I don't have. Ah, hell.
Hell. Oh.
Moment. The shit. Oh god. Here we go. I'm dead. There we go.
Oh.
Wanna subscribe? Just do a subscribe. If you don't want, I'm not badass. I'm gonna toilet, have some fun, and yeah. I'm a noob. I'm no one. What about that? And then I send you the love hearts. Oh, I'm dizzy now. Boing, oing, 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 oing. So we should choose what? Female? Extraterrestrials? I don't understand that thematic in here. When they're making this up, right? There is actually no picture or something for choose the girls. They're making more XPs or something. Nothing, right? Hello? Help me out? Don't be mad, actually, guys. That I'm choosing Tanya maybe today. Is that okay? No? No, we should wait. Okay, I can do some dump. Oh, yeah, is it okay? Everything's cleaned up in here. Oh, so what happened here? That was the mail. It's just cleaned up very much in here. Oh, weird. Why is that girl's not doing something else for me? Oh, I'm suspecting something. She's coming home with a... I don't know. Honey, I'm home. I got actually something to tell you. Shit. I am pregnant. You know, I'm sitting and tall and you're telling me that. It's just like I'm a little bundle of choice just getting swept away from the toilet. I mean, can't you just tell me that for 4 months ago as you just I thought you'd get fat? Shit. Okay. I'm trying to be gentle. You know, my mirrors and my windows are just a bit actually a little split and start crack, and you're very athletic, and can you just clean up actually my underwears? I just sent them actually out of the window as well to let the neighbors know I have a shitty underwears, because these are kind of part of my construction area family. Oh. Oh. Oh, and next, I have in 2 days actually a heart operation with my kinkies that get away, and my tooths are totally lost, and I think they changed my nose or something. My eyes are not actually love to like to be to you to in a red orange tone. You okay with that? How many are you? I'm broken. Oh, I'm sorry, that was a lie. But the rest of these cleaning stuff, you wanna still do and deal with it? I kill you. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, that was a scenery of not making it up with a girlfriend. You better don't. So the mail is just there actually to get pleased. When there's the right time for her, smelling good things on you, you cleaned up, you are cleaned, and everything's a happy, then she's trying to rape you. Rape you. It's the okay, gotcha. Everything's good about this. Smells good. He's clean and shaved. Oh, things are fuck off. And these, I'm sorry, apartment. It's just a toilet. It's cleaned up. I am feeling like need to fuck that guy, right? Yeah, exactly. That's why I don't have a girlfriend. I'm actually not ugly or disgusting or not smelling or something, but there's always a moment I was thinking, what the fuck is wrong? I feel wrong right now. You can't wait 24 years or something to do that on me. That's why I'm a single. All the times. Never stops. Because there was never a girl actually touched me more like that 7-year-old girl and I was 8. This French kiss. She turned me, definitely. To a little silly guy. Yeah. Huh, well, what the hell was that? Welcome back to Mortal Kombat in the kind of, I had to say, part 3. I saw actually on the DjVolgin account of part 2 that I already get actually close to platinum, and then here I'm suffering all these stuff. A DefRekka account bought me everything off, but that was a long time ago. 1.5 year, 1.5 year. Played this game actually a long time ago, but who cares? Who cares? They hacked me, they loved it. They hacked me, he loved it. So I gave up. I'm nothing worth anymore. Just a bundle of joy of the hardcore depression myself. They liked it. Just doing this. If you want, just do. The next weeks I need to clean up the compound. Not even from my fault. And nobody helps me. I'm alone all the times and suffering with ashes in my lung. And that makes me sad. You can drink whatever you want. The ash is still there. And you just go fuck yourself. This shit's thematic. And it pisses me the most off. Because nobody's there. Alright, that's Valentine's Day next week. I'm still in the compound here in Bavaria, Germany. If you just want to help me out, just come by. I don't want to tell you where, but you can connect me over actually the Yahoo YouTube account, go to actually somewhere else. And then the email address of, oh sorry, somebody told me. Somebody's watching? This is not what the fuck possible. Ah shit, you fucked it up, right? Yeah, you did. I thought this is going on about not a day or something. This crack. Every hour? How long I talked? 12 minutes! Come on, this is unfair! I like that. Cheers up, Companion Strawberry. Let's go prosten die next game. A mysterious cloud has to open over something dropped items. Nothing is dropping there in haste. When claimed, frequently you up your ass and kind of 20 minutes ago or something, the up tower and the 50. What the hell I'm doing in here? Drinking beer, enjoying my life, and that was actually CarX and I didn't feel fine. Hold on a second. Yeah, exactly. Sternhagel dich brew. Nitro the bad. Guy have a Mac. There's so many work around me. Waiting for me in the compound. Waiting for me for the company. Waiting a lot of work actually. And my whole only life in tooths. Yeah, dentist. Told me. Let's join actually in the game. So beloved, right? I'm sorry. Oh, these my blood cell results. Starting up with a mass murder calls actually these Leatherface. What shall we do? The end enemy is actually the reptile. What shall we do? There's no girl in there. Aha! I have no custom for her. I found out yesterday it makes very much fun with the staff. Sorry. What's that? What's that? Oh, come on. That makes more fun. Ganbarimasu. Sisu komoni desu ka? Are you waiting for a breakfast?
Tor, finally kill Farah?
Round 1, fight!
Wächst Frauen? Junger Mann. Hätte man gleich auch gewöhnen. Er tut sich. Mo. Der Schuh steckt schon beim Gesicht. Act professional. Well, the stinky fit, she's actually sticking in my fucking face already. Oh, she got combination I don't like. That's not right. Okay, that's okay, but this one, oh man. I'm not playing Mario or actually Wario or something on Game Boy. I will hate.
Round 2, fight!
Oh, he's always grabbing and going with me.
Keep your blood to yourself.
I love that. Can you just go to hell?
Get what I want.
Final round. Fight.
I can't do that. Not again.
Finish him.
Yeah, that's why I couldn't finish him. He stay awake. I can't do finishers.
Wins.
That's so ugly shit. Crack. Oh, connected to Rose. Okay. Who's mentally actually cheating here? Say wizard. It doesn't matter. You're not getting a skip in here anyway. A pickup that gives temporary speed boost. Okay. Well, why he was alive again? They just did with this game something out. Putting out. Triborg.
Another fool wants to test me.
Weapons.
A robot versus
Round
Flash.
one. Fight.
Very interesting. How more... Seriously, how unfair is that against a robot? They have techniques, rockets, MGs, and the girl is actually blanked with Flash and all these... Forget about it. Okay, we're going forward. Is she a god or something? How I can activate all the times my fucking demolition shit? I can't do it. It's because you have Valentine's shit? Yesterday I tried hard. Doesn't matter how many controllers I use. It is not possible to press every button normally I'm pressing, and then you get the complete action.
Hell. Oh.
So exactly E or something. Variations. Well, I don't get these stuff together. There's nothing. Press R2 and twice back. Maybe that helps. There's no exclamation. Hello? I don't know how I have to do that. Maybe I just quit it or something or shit. I'm so sorry about these actually skipping buttons, the brutality and all these stuff. I'm not even using them. Only the money actually for... No, actually, I'm not even use them. Blood boots. You have to hold. Pick up that gives you temporary speed boost. Says the German. You can player select, tower select, skip. Okay, skip. Just for fun. Human versus actually a robot is fuck me up. I think it give it temporary speed. Win one round by 4. Hello? Couldn't read so fast. Hello, I'm German.
Alright. Tanya,
Another fool wants to test me.
You'll have to wait till we're done.
Round 1. Fight.
I can't activate it. It doesn't matter what I'm pressing. It doesn't matter. Even I'm holding down, doesn't matter. What is it? Oh, now I understand. Okay, it's Valentine's Day. If you want to hold all the buttons, they don't make that happen because the male have the pressure actually to them and they can do whatever they want, and the male just can press whatever they want, press buttons to use the hyperforce. If I want to do that as a female, you know, nothing happened. And that's Valentine's Day. So there is this, my hero, and other Americans in Silicon Island. Nice one. You're far away from Disney and Walt Disney, better say. And Warner Brothers. Oh shit. You get a lot of actually people that don't like this one. Really, I'm pressing. Normally, you're pressing all the buttons. Immediately, some action sequentially starting up to pressing into your opponent. I press everything I can. I do whatever I can. Nothing happens. Nothing. Is that because the Valentine's rally in here, or they really want to make so? Hey, this I'm surprised that the Mortal Kombat 10 is still working. I deleted Mortal Kombat 11 because actually Mortal Kombat 1. Fuck Mortal Kombat 1. Fuck
Oh.
Need for
Oh.
Speed. Hey, shut up. And fuck Need for Speed actually is Unbound. It's childish. They want to start all over again to keep the children's getting money out of the pocket, paying to, you know, going forward with the games. We're waiting for graphics. We're waiting for something actually you are going with a little story very well. Oh, you don't do. You don't do on a PlayStation 4? No, you didn't do in the end. Sorry. Just small actually companies just did some games out there and not the big one. The big one just bought off by everyone else, by Warner Brothers, Disney or something. Oh gosh. Even Disney just bought off so many actually series about Simpsons, American Dad. All these stuff, you know, these I want to watch. Lousy motherfuckers. I come home, pay my taxes, get paid. And then that shit I'm paying actually for as well. And nobody wants me. The trailer is so many fantastic. I know that since 20 years and it's getting worse and worse. Between actually Nintendo 64 and the Game Boy Action, to just give us all the times these action about gameplay and then starting up with the kind of action on Nintendo 64 Dreamcast, starting up to seeing actually more graphic better and better. 64, 128, 512, blah blah blah. And now we got this one. Me going backwards. Hardcore. That's why children's playing Fortnite. And Fortnite is open, wide open shit. You fucking motherfucking dad. I don't care about you. Just give me some money or I'm happy, or just get fat. If I'm going fat, daddy, you're not giving me money about Fortnite playing forwardly. I hate Fortnite. It's like you're drug addicted with actually 8 years old. Get needles in your arms. Careful, out. beat me? Okay.
My blade.
Round two, fight.
So many ideas, no damage. What the fuck?
The Elder Gods favor me.
Final round, fight. Tanya wins.
To finish someone with actually I couldn't do. It's the same shit. I press a little while, something happened, and then it's over. There's no finish move. Dang, I have no time. Nothing. Is that Mortal Kombat 10 happened? No.
Tanya.
You
Okay,
freak
now.
again. Well, we have a contract in 2 years.
Round one, fight.
If you want.
Easy money.
Holy shit.
Round
That's not
two,
fair.
fight. Finish her.
Nothing personal, mate.
Fucking speed up
Kano
shit.
wins.
I can't even control actually what I want to do. It's twice actually the action. That means he's faster than myself. That is not fair. Fuck off, man. That is not fair. Some present for you. He's friendly, good. Hey, just the humanity.
Tanya.
Hello, Rapper.
Reptile.
I will slay you now.
Round one, fight.
We sure do. Be friendly.
So clumsy. Victory.
Round 2. Fight. Final round. Fight.
You may die now.
Yeah, okay. I'm a human. I can't solve this computer. Okay, you won, man. This is so unfair. It's actually 3 times the action. Okay, I can't handle that. I'm sorry. I'm sitting. Oh, it doesn't matter. Even I can handle that. You need to on actually cocaine or something else. And even then, you can't handle the computer. I'm chilling here after a CarX game by drifting, coming in here and okay, all right, you people, okay, you can do whatever you want, and then 3 times the action. Okay, now we going verser through actually the customers. You know what? I better get my Nintendo 64 out there. I'm playing actually, I don't know, Mortal Kombat 3, 4? That's it? Because this game here right now is going a little bit overhanded. I just want to see some fucking fatality. And I can't do it because it's too fast and too slow. They don't want to load it. And that's the Valentine shit? Warner Brothers? You don't know how to do a game. You don't know how to do a movie. You fools. You're just a children foot's attitude about John Carpenter or something. You idiots. And, well, the game is costing in the end all the DLCs together by $160 on the PlayStation 4. On the PlayStation 5, it cost you $200. That's why I'm paying for TV then, for 4K or 8K. Hey, I better actually get my Dreamcast on and playing Shenmue 2 or Shenmue 1. The original loved stuff. The memory card actually into your controller. Can even play in the near time actually some small game. These are idealists. Stupid. Well, fuck them. They have no idea. They're watching you to find out how to do better. Normally, we should go to Silicon Island with atom bombs, and America is just a part of North Korea. Done. Because it is like this. Hunger, hunger for everything. I'm so glad I'm German. I'm so glad of this. Great Britons hate us, right? They hate a lot for us. Frost don't hate German. Frost don't hate actually England. But the small brother America thinks all the times Great Britain is so small. Great Britain was bringing actually with Germans and Frost actually America big. Think twice, you fuckers, and think fast. You Germans, you're racistic. And that's the point. If you don't do and acting like not like actually you do, and I'm not doing this. I'm flaw free, ash free, this shit, and you just doing this. Point is, America's just a little fart. They're just paying actually money for getting drugs into this country of South America. I think they're big times. You know? European is not so bad. In the end. No. I don't want to skip. Sorry, my ash. Fucking my lung. You can have a mask on, doesn't matter. You see the problem in the compound, and then you try to solve that as a normal construction worker. You not even get paid, maybe. I'm on it, run, and I will get on. Actually, in 1.5 to 2 weeks now. Nobody helps me. Nobody gets me actually some hypered up. Nobody makes me mooded up. And I was today actually in the dentist, and it pushes me down as hell. And everybody knows that, and blah blah blah, and here and there. I'm not actually this guy that just making problems or something. I don't want to do that. It has nothing to do with the beer or tequila or rum and cola or something. It's just my own problem is existing, and they can't solve it, and they have problems I can solve. So I'm dead already? Or what? I'm the slowest? Hey, I just find unfair in here that people actually don't annoying me in here with comments. Thank you very much. Gosh, I don't want to skip this. No, this is the end boss fight. Well, Raptor, your poison tongue is actually scary. Toddling around too much with this shit. Actually, I don't have actually tooths or something anymore. You poison tongue. Okay, let's play this again. Give me tequila. Not even listen to music anymore. Fucking life.
Denian witch.
Zaterran tadpole.
Your long life ends now.
Round 1. Fight!
What the hell? Why?
Round 2. Fight!
Do not touch me.
Final round. Fight!
Okay, there's... I normally can do a fatality. And that's my problem. Why don't can do it? Why don't can do it? The game is by 3 times actually faster up or something this shit. Oh, yeah, well, oh wow, hey. Stop your fingernails. Sternhagel dich Brooks Port. Even flow off the bucket. It is a disgusting beer, I think. And see, nobody's watching. If I'm winning in here, nobody's watching. So these peoples, they grown up in here and seeing what you're seeing and get fucked up. All the times you're losing. Okay, I'm going to Angry Video Game Nerd and also actually to Angry Joey. I just tell them this game with the update and losing actually people that are watching this, they are permanently actually watching from Disney and Warner Brothers. They're watching you for this shit. How to make money more grabbing from your pocket. Good. I'll let them know. Definitely, and they will show back. You fucking Warner Brother and Disney. Fucking piece of shit. That's why I'm so annoyed about Fortnite. The little children don't know how many pain, how many damage you get on the dad's pocket. Money pocket. Talking about money, there's no issue. Nothing happens in here. Nothing gets better. It is worse getting. Okay. Fucking shit. They're paying actually people for YouTube, Temu, or whatever they want to make movies like that.
Finish him.
Hold on a second. What the fuck is that? Meanwhile, Bloodlust. Finally, go fuck. Oh, this video will go actually for children as well.
Fatality.
How to pocket off actually getting away your money from your dad. Cause of Warner Brother. Definitely. I will get that for children's. It doesn't matter about the score, gore, or something else. These motherfuckers wants to you have believing in something. This is not fair. What the hell? Who's that?
Aaron Black. Aaron Black.
What is your function, human?
I work for the Emperor.
The Lin Kuei served Khan. Never again.
Round 1. Fight.
Calm yourself.
Finish him.
Oops, don't know. Wow, that is my time. Shit. I'm sorry. Couldn't do.
Bullseye.
1000 still. Hello?
Baron Black wins.
Well, that is my future, eh? I hated him very much. That's the German future. Grab for something else. Tournament is done.
Why have
Your
we
sister
never done
lost
business?
as well.
I already have a job.
You will join me after your death.
Round 1. Fight.
Don't think so.
Too little, too late.
Yeah, dear less. Capitulate.
Round 2.
Emergency is coming. Try again.
I'm just too fast.
Finish him.
What the fuck? What should I do? He's already dead.
Bullseye.
I couldn't do a
Baron
fatal.
Black
What the?
wins.
This is not fair. I tried. Couldn't. This is unfair. Hey, hello? Meanwhile, I just did the fatality, but it stopped me. In a fatality? That stopped me now? Okay. Unworthy to be.
At least I don't take orders from a woman.
Subscriptions.
Round 1. Fight.
You know, I'm drinking beer, I don't care. Wow.
You show little promise.
Round 2. Fight. Finish him. Kenshi wins.
So long to be Valentine's Day. Still coming up next week at the Wednesday, you fucker.
Round 1. Fight. Round 2. Fight. Finish him.
I did the move. It doesn't matter.
Bullseye.
Aaron Black wins.
We done now? Fucking Disney and Warner Brothers shit. Oh, it's myself. Kind of.
You know the Black Dragon.
I think so.
Killed one. Cobra, I think.
Another reason to gotcha.
Round 1. Fight.
Hello?
Too little, too late.
Round 2. Fight.
Calm yourself.
Huh?
Final round. Fight. Finish him.
What?
Nothing personal, mate.
Oh, come on. This game better 2 times sucks and 4 times sucks. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. I won. You saw that. I won. I saw it. Overtime. Cut them off. You lost. Okay, cut them. Lost. Oh, it's not actually something like I want. Okay, forget it. Man, still standing in front of the toilet. Worse than before. Oh, was, ehrlich? Ha? Honey? Ah. Ich habe mal einen ganz kurzen Schluck genommen. Sie fair. Mittlerweile rede ich schon mit dem Chef, der nicht da ist. Der einfach mal da sein könnte, mit dem ich dann rede. Aber er ist nie privat da, er ist immer privat irgendwo anders. Und wenn ich mit ihm rede, sind so Stoßgebete so in der Richtung. Und das geht mir auf den Sack. Jetzt ist mein Chef da oder er lässt es bleiben. Und dann könnte ich jede Sekunde rübergehen und den Gabelstapler anlassen und einfach mein Ding tun. Das kann auch nicht sein, Alter. Was ist denn das für ein Chef, Alter? Ich hasse meinen Chef für das, was er tut. Ich verstehe ihn, aber das hat er schon ständig. Diese Gebabbel und bla bla und dann macht er weiter und tut nichts für dich. Er achtet nicht dich, er macht einfach sein Scheißding weiter. Er hat einen Computer und hat auf der Seite einfach stehen, zum Beispiel, der Christopher, Gegensprechanlage, interessiert ihm einen Scheißdreck. Brummer, interessiert ihm einen Scheißdreck, das macht der Christopher schon irgendwie. Was soll ich noch alles tun? Bin ich jetzt der Stanislav 2.0 für die nächsten 70 Jahre? Ich lebe nicht mehr lang. Ich find's fies. Es würde niemals jemand die Anlage auffüllen, der Georg, ja, weil gezwungen worden ist für seine 3.500 Euro netto, was er verdient, im Gegensatz zu meinen 1.600 Euro. Das ist ein Witz. Das ist fürchterlich. Ich gebe auf. Die Firma ist für mich verloren. Und ich werde weitergehen. Is this a guy actually just saying, shave your fucking throat? Die Schnauze langsam voll. Andere haben Findungsjahre und können überall hinreisen, wo sie wollen und keine Kosten sparen. Und sie können arbeiten, wo sie wollen, haben Visum und bla bla bla. Ich kenne das doch nicht. Ich bin aus keiner Familie rausgewachsen, ich habe kein Geld, ich habe nichts. Ich bin ein armer Loser. Und die kommen ran wie Supermillionäre und das. Und ich bin der letzte Dreck. Hab die besten Ideen, aber der letzte Dreck bin ich immer noch ich. Das regt mich so auf. Das regt mich so auf hier in der Firma. Beim Ethnober war das angespannt. Die haben drüber nachgedacht, haben dir eine Idee freigegeben und du wurdest bezahlt dafür. Hier in der Firma, du wirst das so dermaßen niedergemacht. Wie ein Neger, irgend so ein Camp, weißt. Ich bin der letzte Mist hier. Und mach echt, ich hab schon bald echt keinen Bock mehr aufs Leben. Weil es so weitergeht. Und dann kommen noch 2 Arbeiter dazu, so 56, 36, die der Meister gemacht hat. Okay, dann bin ich der Lehrbursche wieder, oder was? Weil ich nur keinen Führerschein habe. Alter. Mir regt's jetzt schon komplett auf, dass sag ich mal, mein eigener Gegnerpartner nicht mal ein Firmenauto mehr hat. Sein eigenes Auto fahren muss. Wow. Okay. Das heißt, die Firma ist tot. Die Firma ist eigentlich tot. Schon seit 3 Jahren. Ich hab's richtig gemacht. Ich bin in die Reha gegangen. Keiner hat's getan. Die kennen das Leben nicht. Wenn man 187 Leute mal fragen kann am Podest, wie geht's euch? Können wir was tun mit euch? Ich habe ein paar Auflagen bekommen. Na, redet mit jemandem in der Früh. Das tut unser Boss nicht. Der schaut nur, wie es uns geht. Und dann dankt er nicht mal ab. Ich habe keinen Bock mehr auf die Firma, echt. Nein. Wir versuchen es nochmal.
Why don't we work together?
I'd rather kill you.
Yeah, same here.
Round 1. Fight.
Too little, too late.
Round 2. Fight.
I warned you.
Final round. Fight.
I'm just too fast.
Finish him.
Bullseye.
Aaron Black wins.
Press the button. They don't give me right. Well, this game is a piece of shit. It gives you nothing. That's about tequila. Stopping my mind.
Can we start now?
Round 1. Fight.
Get out of town.
Round 2. Fight.
Calm yourself.
Final round. Fight. Finish him.
I did the pressing the button. I could actually half the buttons I press. It's over. This game sucks, man. I just did pressing the buttons the halfway, they cut me off. I hate this game so hard. Nothing to do actually with... It's like Tekken, you're playing Tekken or something. There's nothing else. Disney, Warner Brothers, what do you expect? Making no good movies anymore. Since 3 years now.
Adaptable.
Blech.
Those you betray see it differently.
Other realms, it's just dead. It's just dead.
Round 2.
Yeah.
Fight.
Welcome to other realms. The body off.
Finish him.
Little too late.
Finally.
Aaron Black wins. Fatality.
Already was going forward with Mortal Kombat 11. Piece of shit. Fuck Mortal Kombat then. Money makers they want to do. Just pay for it like Fortnite. Like COD or Battlefield right now.
Mercenary.
To what do I owe the pleasure?
The Khan is ending your service.
Round 1. Fight.
That's boring.
Round 2. Fight.
Could you not see me?
Nope.
Final round. Fight. Finish him.
Wow. Just 4 seconds? This is not fair.
Reptile wins. Flawless victory.
Please let me know before. Assholes. Now 2 seconds only, or 4 seconds?
Mercenary.
Round 1.
Shut up.
Fight.
Too little, too late.
6 seconds. Yeah, and he survived. Yeah, of course.
Round 2. Fight. Finish him.
Go fuck yourself.
Bullseye.
Aaron
You
Black
never know.
wins.
When 2 or 4 or 16 or 2. Fucking pedophile fucking shit in here and here. I'm so dumb. Nobody's watching. Piece of shit. Fucking American assholes.
Round 1. Fight. Round 2. Fight.
Hello? Okay. They hacked me already? These assholes?
666.
These motherfuckers, they hacked me? Nice to see that. No surprise. What a fucking champion shit in here.
Hello, worn assholes. Etherney I would not use Zulu way.
Fuck off.
Final round. Fight. Finish him. Ermac Flawless victory. Round 1, fight! Round 2, fight! Finish him! Ermac wins. Flawless victory.
You face 10,000 souls.
Got a bullet for every last one.
They do not harm the dead.
Round 1, fight! Round 2, fight!
Too little.
Finish him!
Bullseye.
Aaron Black wins.
Hello? I should press the buttons. Oh, this is not okay. I pressed the button in front of him. Okay, okay. Warner Brothers don't like to see that. You victory or something. I'm done. I'm so done. I'm so done. Mortal Kombat is not like it is. Fuck this. Fuck off. Go fuck yourself. It makes no fun, actually. I give up. The shit combat. These before. Okay, whatever.
Elder God's invasion.
Man kann ja schlafen gehen, ne? Oh. This game sucks. Ich kann ihm das nur unter 24 Stunden 7 in den Augen erlesen. Ich kann ihm nicht das übers Telefon sagen. Ich hab so dermaßen viel Asche im Augen. Spült sich immer noch aus. Fucker. Nobody cares. I don't know who's the first one. Okay. Fuck off then.
Liu Kang.
What's the problem, Liu Kang? You and your friends think you're warriors.
See for yourself.
Round 1. Fight!
Actually isn't as done this game already.
You will not be remembered.
Round 2. Fight!
Oh, close by, right? You had to be close.
Liu Kang wins.
You have to be close by. Fuck this shit. Nothing else like treasures. Treasures, not treasure. Treasures.
Toothless black dragon.
I still have some bite left.
Round 1. Fight.
That's good. You need it.
Think again.
Ow!
Round 2. Fight.
Why from me all the times?
Final round. Fight. Finish him.
Fuck off, man.
Liu
Nothing
Kang
worth.
wins.
Just like actually you're breathing through actually your nose. It's nothing. Teddy squeezed. Squeezed again. I don't care. I'm done.
Darling.
Keep away, loathsome beast.
You
Oh,
will
that was
remember your love for
into-
me.
Round 1. Fight. Round 2, fight!
Love is over. The capitated
wins. Fatality.
She's just that. Makes nothing boring you well. She will become love and life again to you.
Liu Kang.
You enter the
Excuse
dragon's
me?
lair.
Wow. Dork alert.
Round 1, fight!
Did you just call me?
Get up, get down.
Fucking hipster music sucks, yo. Foster.
Suck on that.
Round 2, fight!
Use your head or lose it.
Final round, fight!
Go fuck yourself.
Liu Kang wins. Fatality.
Love is love, and you are not under my love station. End of the war again.
Sento greets you, Liu Kang.
I do not fear its wielder. Both were forged in combat.
Round 1, fight!
One mind, one blade.
Round 2, fight! Kenshi wins.
Liu Kang.
Fucking asshole.
Our paths cross again, Kenshi. A sword must remain sharp.
Round 1, fight!
Run away. Remembered.
Round 2, fight! Liu Kang wins.
Nothing changed. Nothing changed.
Goro, Tremor.
Any final pearls of wisdom?
The realms will have one less princess.
I think not.
Round 1. Fight! Round 2. Fight! Finish her! Tremor wins.
Where you off to, then?
I'm leaving the Black Dragon.
It's your funeral.
Round 1. Fight! Round 2. Fight! Tremor wins.
I will crush you.
Round 1. Fight! Round 2. Fight!
I will crack you open.
Finish him. Tremor wins. Fatality.
Humanity won. The worst you can bring me down. You know what the fuck. Get this shit up. I give up. Bye-bye. Exactly hate. Shit. Oh, dog. Crazy crack. There it goes. Just go on in here. I'm dead or something? Okay, that's crazy. Ow. There's my hand flake. Fucking commercials. Mika.
You.
I admire your gauntlets.
I like your... yeah.
Round one. Fight.
Cannot match my power.
Round
God,
two.
what the hell?
Fight.
Feeling me now?
Yeah. Brutality.
Tremor wins.
That grandmother wasn't fine. Thanks for watching. I'm done. Even by actually not being there. Whatever. Reporter will show up. That's sure.
You dare attack me, Scorpion.
My flames can burn even you.
Round 1, fight.
Before show up. 26 minutes, I don't know. They told me that this is gonna be shit. The best was in the morning, like bring me with a liter of blood. Let's see what's going on in here then. 26, 7, 5.
Round 2, fight. Finish him! Tremor wins. Fatality.
Enzo is killed. Oh, come on, Cassie, you again. Okay. Yeah. Fuck that P9.
Round 1, fight.
It's a pretty good job. Österreicher.
For punishment.
You cannot match my power.
Round 2, fight. Finish her! Tremor wins.
Boring. 4 minutes. 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 4 Oh, yeah. Careful.
Kana.
Round 1, fight!
A waste of my talent. What was that? You cannot match my power.
Round 2, fight! Child's play. Finish her!
What the fuck?
Tremor wins. Flawless victory.
I'm sorry about that one. Could do something. This gotta be complicated.
Shake, shake!
The earth will swallow you.
Chomp, chomp, yum, yum!
Round 1, fight! Round 2, fight! Finish him! Tremor wins. Fatality.
Odd world. Bye-bye. Air films always win. Chaos Realms versus Earth Realm.
I am here, fool. You think you can best me? Prepare for combat.
Round 1, fight!
The Gentacle and Earthwall. Fool.
Round 2, fight!
So fragile.
Tremor wins.
Earth realms. Humanity wins again. Extraterrestrials. Next.
Tremor.
You will not have my soul.
Your soul is not worth harvesting.
Round
I'm
one.
crystallized all the times, you son of a bitch. Your daughter and sister are gay. Her films.
Round two. Fight.
Tremble before me as I absorb Earthrealm's power.
Final round. Fight.
Du Vollpfosten! Du glaubst, du kannst mich besiegen? Ich bin woanders aufgewachsen. Ich hatte mehr ability like you. Stirb, du Stück.
Standing over Shinnok, Tremor reveled in his power. Much had changed since the Black Dragon's excursion to the Dream Realm. Kano had sent Tremor's team there to retrieve a psych bomb to be used in Kano's theft of Shinnok's amulet.
My power surge
to that realm had increased Tremor's
Ich hasse outsiders.
And expanded his mind. He would evolve into an Earth Elemental, a demigod whose power would rival that of Raiden and Fujin.
Okay, die wollen eigentlich nur Geld machen und du warst der Beste und bist der Beste und trotz alledem, da machen die noch Geld draus, 10 Euro aus deiner Tasche raus. Die werden sich überleben. Kein 2 Cent fucking scheiß Kampfwert. Ich bin so dermaßen deprimiert.